Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create colorful text effect in Canva typography t-shirt design tutorial. So for this one, you could actually use this text effect to go ahead and design your shirts or anything that you want to design. So for us to be able to get started, just choose in your preferred template to go ahead and get redirected here onto Canva's editor. So since we're here already, what we need to do right after is let's try to change the background first of our page in here. So just simply click onto that and click your upper left corner of the screen to change the background color. So we're going to change this one to black. And then right after, to go ahead and create the colorful text effect, let's head here onto apps onto the bottom left corner of the screen and type in Typecraft. So you should be able to find this one right after you type that one in, click onto this, and then you should be able to type in your text in here and your font. But since we're trying to do a colorful text in here, we're going to go ahead and try to make this one by one. So let's add letter T and let's try to change the font in here. So you could search onto different fonts that you want to use, but for this specific tutorial, we're going to use this one, the rainfall slanted. So simply click onto that, head back, and then right after, you could go ahead and try to choose your first color. So for example, we'll try to add in blue, this one. Right after you change that, you should be able to find in your design here onto the bottom part. So you could try to edit how it should look like. But for this one, let's try to make this as a normal letter. So let's readjust this as a letter T. And once you got the shape that you're looking for, just go ahead and click on to add this to element. So you should be able to find your design in here already. Then right after, let's just go ahead and duplicate this. Right after for this one, we're going to go ahead and try to change the text for that. Instead of letter T, let's go and make it E, and then we'll try to change the color as well. So let's try to use that one, the violet one, this, and then right after, let's try to readjust this as per your liking as well. And then let's just go ahead and update the element. Now it should go ahead and try to change something like this. So let's try to change this to X, change the color. So for this one, let's try green. And you should be able to see a preview here. And then let's update the element again. So we forgot to duplicate this. Let's try to duplicate this back again. Let's add in letter E again. And then let's also try to change the color for that to pink. Update the element. And then lastly, let's go ahead and try to duplicate this one again. Change the letter for that and its color. Once done, click on to update element. And you should be able to find in some colorful text in here. Resize this as per your liking, and you could use this already for your t-shirts design. And that is just basically it, how you create a colorful text effect in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.